Sorry, man, I guess you gotta stay. No, I'm just playing. Alright, guys, so there's a fire out there. I need to set up an emergency bag just in case I need to leave. Alright, guys, so I have a big bag right here. I'll be showing the stuff that I'll be putting in here for emergency just in case I need to evacuate. And for those that are wondering, it's Labor Day, and then also I'm in California, so we get fires a lot. So I have a bunch of Ziploc bags. I'll be putting my catheter in, so I can save some space. I'm just going to use like 4 boxes. You know, you can take as much as you need. You know, I don't know if I will have any catheters if this house burns down. And then my dad might actually take a bunch of my supplies and put it in the car, so. And that's the thing that sucks about being paralyzed. We have to use catheters just to pee. We're not a normal person where we could pee, so. That's a downfall about we cannot just be out and about. We have to have all these things just to go out, especially a long time. Okay guys, I have 4 bags of catheters, and then this is from my supply box, so I'm going to put as much as iodine I could in a bag. And for those that don't know, we need iodine to clean our private part, if not we'll get UTIs. Like I said, being paralyzed, it's hard. We cannot just like pee like a normal person. Probably get one more just in case. Next is a lubricant, so I get cath. And the fire is getting really close. And then of course baby wipes. Alright guys, so now I'm going to put in like a bunch of like little bags just in case for anything. You know, put like my dirty stuff in there like after my bowel movement, or I don't know, if I need to do something in the car, then I need to do it in the car. And then of course I need to get gloves. Then I have more box of gloves. For my bowel movement, like I said, we cannot just use the restroom like a normal person. And then next is hygiene stuff. So I'm just going to put deodorant, toothpaste, my face wash, toothbrush. I don't have like the toothbrush container, but it doesn't matter. You know, I just need to hurry up. And then to wash up, I use baby wipes to wash up, so I don't need shampoo. You know, if I'd be in a car, then most likely I wouldn't need shampoo. Then next is going to be my medications. Then next, I'll just be putting diapers in. I do not wear diapers, but I'll be in a car, so I might have accidents. Put everything on one side. And then I'm just going to get some clothes and put it in there. You know, just as if I was going to go to the hospital if I get sick. Some underwears. Some shirts. More sweats. Let me see. More sweats. I need to get more socks. And then always bring water. I cannot tell you how many times I travel or just out of the house and I get so thirsty. Being paralyzed, we get really hot. Then I need to go through my bag, see if there's anything I need to put in here. My handicap parking thing. Then also I like to mention you need to get your wallet, any identification card, and then also your insurance card, but my dad has that, so I don't need to put in here. And that's pretty much it for this stuff, so I need to like get like just basic stuff to help record if I need to leave. So I'm just going to take like the tripod I have and the camera and a charger, and that's pretty much it. Oh, almost forgot, I need to pack this too. I'm definitely going to be taking her, of course. I'm not going to be leaving her, but my turtle, sorry, I guess you gotta die. I'm just playing. I don't know, probably just like put it outside, but if the house is going to burn down, you know, I don't know. Hopefully it gets far enough. Go on, Turbo, you could go far. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I just need to get dressed and put on shoes and then take a sweater. Always make sure you take a sweater because you never know, it could get cold. Almost forgot to mention, I always bring my foam roller because my back always hurts, especially since I was shot in my spine.